Hello students. So now we will see another type of defect, that is impurity defect. Impurity defect. Okay. Impurity defect. Okay. Till now we have seen stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect. Now we will see impurity defect. Now what is impurity defect? Okay. This defect arises. This defect arises due to this defect arises due to introduction of foreign atoms, introduction of foreign atoms, or you can say outside atoms, foreign atoms or outside atoms in a original host lattice sites. Host lattice. This defect why it arises? Due to when we are putting extra atom, outside atoms, an atom which is completely different from the original lattice. When we are putting an atom completely different from the original lattice, when we are putting an atom completely different from original lattice, from outside, we are putting a foreign atom or an outside atom, okay, into the original lattice. That original lattice is called as host lattice. The original lattice is called as host lattice. Okay. So when we are putting an outside atom or a foreign atom means an outside atom which is completely different from the original lattice. When we are putting foreign atoms or outside atom in an original lattice, okay, original lattice is also called as host lattice, then that defect is called impurity defect, and these foreign atoms are called as impurities. The foreign atoms or the outside atoms are called impurities. Okay, the foreign atoms or outside atoms are called impurities. So originally what we have a original host lattice, a particular lattice. So imagine this is a host lattice and I am putting an outside atom inside this host lattice. So that is what is called impurity defect. These outside atoms or foreign atoms are called impurities. Okay. Now this impurity, what they can do? The foreign atoms what they will do? They will either replace the foreign atoms will either replace original host lattice atoms, they will either replace the foreign atoms will either replace original host lattice atoms or occupy the interstitial site. Okay. So either they will replace the original atoms present in the host lattice or they will occupy the interstitial site. So either they will replace or they will occupy the interstitial sites. Okay. Complete writing this. Now what happens? when you are putting outside impurities in a crystal, okay, addition of impurities addition of impurities in a crystal, what will it do? Will change the properties of a crystal. Will change the properties of crystal. When you are adding an outside atom or impurities, okay, it will change the properties of the crystal. Okay, it will change the properties of the crystal. All right. So this process of adding the impurities in a host lattice is called as doping. The process of adding impurity in a crystalline solid, adding impurities in a crystal, the process of adding impurities in a crystal so as to change the property, so as to change its property, is called doping. Is called doping. The process of adding impurities in a crystal so as to change its properties is called as doping. Doping. So this process of adding impurity, when we are adding a foreign atom, impurity means what? An outside atom. When we are adding in a crystal, okay, why do we add it? To change the property of the crystal. So this process of adding the impurity is called as doping. Now there are two types of impurity defect. Let us see what are the two types of impurity defects. Let us see what are the two types of impurity defects. First one is introducing impurity defects in ionic solids. Okay, introducing impurity defects in ionic solid. Second one is introducing impurity defect in covalent solids. Introducing impurity defect in ionic solid. There are two types of impurity defects. There are two ways of introducing impurity. Introducing impurity in ionic solid, introducing impurity in covalent solids. Okay. So that is all about impurity defects and its type. We will see in detail. Introducing impurity defect in ionic solid and introducing impurity defect in covalent solid. Individually we will see in detail.